Find or read reviews that people are talking about Powkey Portable Power Station 100 watts. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 100 watt/97 watt-hour/26,400 mAh capacity. Powkey Portable Power Station has large capacity of 97.68 watt-hour and 26,400 mAh. The max power of AC outlet would be up to 100 watt. Delivering steady and stable power or electricity for most of your electronics, such as cell phone, mini fan, laptop, iPad, camera, and drone and more. A perfect power solution for outdoor camping, travel, trip, RV as well as home emergency battery backup for power outage or hurricane. Fast charging PD65W USB C. Except AC outlet, Powkey has specially designed 3 USB ports for this small portable generator, including USB-C, USB-A1 and USB-A2. The USB-C charging port supports PD65W super fast charging, which helps shorten the charging time and enable to fully charge your phones quickly within 30 minutes. 5 versatile charging outlets. Equipped with 5 versatile outlets, 1 AC outlet, 100 watt/110 volt, 1 DC outlet, 12 volt 8 amp, 2 USB-A outlets and 1 USB-C outlet. Powkey Portable Solar Generator Power Station can be compatible with most electronic devices on the market and support to charge 5 different electronic devices at the same time. Besides, the DC input port, 15 volt, 2 amp, can also be connected with solar panel, not included, for recharging in the sun. 4 recharging modes with cable plug. There are 4 recharging modes of Powkey Portable Laptop Charger: charging by home/DC outlet, charging by car charger, charging by USB-C port and charging by solar panel, not included. You can choose one of these modes flexibly. And it only takes 2 to about 4 hours to get this outdoor generator fully recharged. Moreover, there are 4 built-in indicator lights, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, to show the power usage or recharging percentage, helping better control and utilize the power. Support pass-through charging. Powkey Laptop Power Bank supports pass-through charging, except DC outlet, which enables you to recharging Powkey Portable Power Source with AC outlet and charging your electronics at the same time. You can use your electronics when it is plugged in without waiting for a long time. Super Mini Portable Generator. Super compact size 7.09 x 1.77 x 5.71 inch, height of this mini portable power station is no higher than an iPhone, and lightweight 2.2 pounds made Powkey small camping portable power station easy to carry to everywhere you want. An ideal choice for your off-grid life. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.